Here we go. Good morning. Shane here from the Brookings home team, powered by Century 21. We'll kind of scoot this here a little bit. Monday morning, 8:15, and that means it's Monday morning mortgage tip. Got Danny here from Dakotland Federal Credit Union to talk today about the Monday morning mortgage tip. But before we do that, as you guys come on, please let us know. Give us a heart, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions for us too, please let us know, and we'd be happy to answer that on this episode or maybe on the next one, depending on the time. So, with that being said,
good morning.
Emmy, you're not Emmy. Danny, go ahead. What do you got for us today?
All right. I feel like a lot of times when people come in, they typically will ask about their credit score, and a lot of people, it seems like, are very tech savvy nowadays, and they use that Credit Karma app, or I know there's other ones out there through like Discover or Capital One. There's different apps you can use to kind of monitor your credit. It does differ a little bit. Like Credit Karma is a popular one, so they pull just from 2 bureaus, where when you come in and get pre-approved for a mortgage, we're going to do a tri-bureau pull and then use your average score. So I always, tell the members it's a great tool. It's great to monitor what's going on with your credit. If you're past due on a payment, or if something would pop up and you're not aware of it, then definitely that would be the time to investigate it. And I know it gives you notifications, so it helps trigger that to keep you aware of what's going on with your credit. But just realize when you come in to apply for a mortgage, it might not actually match up, number for number when we pull your credit.
Perfect. Yeah. So like you said, you pull from all 3 major ones,
yep.
And this Credit Karma pulls from 2.
From 2 of the bureaus. Yep.
Okay.
It's Equifax and TransUnion, I believe.
That it pulls
so
from.
they don't pull Experian.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that can affect your number a little bit there, and obviously depending on where you're at financially and debt to income, could either put you on the fence or jump you up above,
right,
below the next level. So
there is one website you can go to, annualcreditreport.com, and once a year you can pull from all 3 bureaus, okay. So 1 bureau per year. That does not give you your credit score either, but it gives you what you would have as far as what's reporting and if there's anything derogatory or anything like that.
Can you give that website one more time?
Yep, so it's annualcreditreport.com.
And people still can pull from like Equifax or TransUnion, what is it, once a year as well?
Yep, so I think you can go either individually, or you can just go to that website and pick which bureau you want. So you wouldn't have to do all 3 bureaus if there was one bureau in particular you were interested in looking at.
Okay.
But yes, you get to do that for free so one time from each bureau, one time a year. Within 12 months, yep.
Perfect. All right. Good information, yes. So keep an eye on that. Like she said, it's a great tool to kind of see where you're at, but you do have to come in and actually get pre-qualified and a little bit more questions and answers and stuff like that takes place. So thanks for that tip here, Danny. Appreciate that. And of course, if you have any questions for her, I'll have all of her information on the top, on the bottom, on the sides, wherever your device allows you to see that. Feel free to reach out to her at any time. And like I said, feel free to share or tag this video with anybody else you think would benefit from it as well. So we'll be back next Monday for our next Monday morning mortgage tip. You guys have a great week and hope to see you soon. See ya.
Bye.